Hi guys, Rob from Icebox also here today, just bringing you today's install, which is basically on an BMW 5 Series F10. Now we have systems for the CIC and the MBT. As you can see, this is not the normal what you'd normally expect in our systems with the interface. It's only reason because we've downloaded the Agama car launcher app on there, so basically it gives you a little bit more optimization in terms of what you get and what you can assign to the particular applications and genres you want to go to for. So as you can see, we've all set up this for the phone, internet apps, music, navi, radio. And there's a bit of a sunny day today, as you can see my reflection, so it will affect obviously the viewings of it, because as I say, the camera doesn't tend to do it justice on the phone. But as I say, I'll just give you a quick run through of how it would look. And we've already preset some of the apps up to the topics here, which is obviously that's the Spotify. If we put navi on there, this is where we've assigned ways to it. Now it comes with Google Maps preset, and sometimes the Chinese factories put a map on there, but we tend to delete the Chinese app because they're hard to update. But obviously you're not going to get any sort of map on there at the moment, because obviously we haven't connected the internet to it. So obviously a lot of these apps here are online based. Okay, this is a DAB app we put on there, which is the Radio UK. So as you can see, it gives you it gives you a lot of these stations. With the Radio UK app, you can also play it through the CarPlay of the system, but obviously this is just what the customer's preference is. So as you can see, a lot of it's not set up yet because obviously it's just a new in the car. Internet, this is basically YouTube that he's been playing previously. Music player, apps with the applications. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of applications on there that's been preloaded onto the system. We will do a lot of these for you within reason, i.e. if it's like 5 to 10 apps, we don't mind, but obviously we prefer just to put the ones on there that'll get you up and running back onto the road once the job's finished. But you can see the Android also app, Amazon Music's on there. You can see, let's have a Flicks is on there, which is, this is if you're familiar with your IPTV, then obviously you can get your IPTV on there. Let's have a little look. 1 second, what else we got on there? See, DAB apps on there too. As you can see, Sidejic's on there, Maps, Waze, YouTube. This is your CarPlay app here, WhatsApp. Yeah, so it's pretty much fully loaded for the gentleman whose car it is. So this is, as I say, I'll just repeat, this is a car launcher which is downloaded from the App Store. So if you're not familiar with it, it will change the interface of the existing one that comes with the system, and it gives you a little bit more optimization in terms of what you want on the home page and stuff like that. But this will take a 4G SIM card as well as an internet connection to your hotspot on your phone. So I always advise to put a SIM card in anyway, because it's a little bit easier when you start the apps, and in terms of having to go to your phone and set it up. If the SIM card's in there, then the apps just work straight away. Okay, I'll bring it to it then, guys, and hope to see you soon, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Follow us and subscribe to our channels, because we'll bring you videos every so often, troubleshooting tips, and also if we get any problems, customers relating any problems to us through configuring, we're quite happy to take a video, find out how to fix your problem. If we're not too sure anyway, we'll fix your problem and put a video up on our channel. So obviously just subscribe to us anyway. Okay, take care, bye bye.